Dennis here again from Global BuildTech Australia. Video 6 of this short video series about how our journey started and got to where we are now with our kit systems. So I just wanted to mention before we started though, in the last video, in video 5, I mentioned some suppliers that helped us out with the first build, and just want to say they're not sponsors of ours, they were the right suppliers with the right materials at the right time. So moving on though, one of the first major challenges we had was that the original intent was that we were going to be the kit suppliers only, and we would contract a builder to actually do the build. We found that we couldn't in fact find a builder who wanted to do the build for us because nobody knew what we meant when we said we wanted to do a CLT or cross-laminated timber assembly. So we actually had to set up our own building company here in Queensland and do the build ourselves. Now, as you can imagine, and this will go into a few more videos, the real challenges on the ground of building, even with a simple kit system like ours, is really where everything started to come undone. But we'll talk about that in future videos. But as I said, that was the intention, just to supply the kit, but all of a sudden we became the builders. Let's tell you about that in upcoming videos. Thanks.